Welcome to this automobile code review. What I'm going to do in this video is first I'm going to give you a quick video breakdown of what automobile code is. First, as you can see, we are actually logged inside the automobile code members area here, and it's laid out really well. To the left here we've got the navigation tab, and over here we've got the actual training, which as you can see is delivered by video, and it's broken down into different steps. And as you can see, there is a total of 6 different steps, and step 6 is to actually log into the automobile code software. A great thing about automobile code is that there is no hosting required. It's a web-based software application. You don't need to download anything. Everything's hosted for you. So once you purchase, you've got access to everything that you need included in the price. So now if I give you a quick breakdown of the step 2, which is going to explain everything that you're going to want to know in the training video. If we just skip it in, as you can see, this is the actual software itself, and it's basically the same as Aweber or GetResponse. What you do is you create a list using the software, and the difference being is you're going to collect mobile numbers instead of email addresses, and then you're going to use the software to send out SMS blasts to the users that have opted in with their mobile phone number. As you can see here, we're using the actual build itself to write the message. This is similar to what you've probably seen on Aweber. You create the message, you include the link that you want. The link will probably be a link to an affiliate offer or a CPL offer, and then once it's done, you simply send out the message to all the numbers on your list. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. We've got the different campaign names, we've got the actions, so we can send the message out, we can stop it, we can pause it, and we can see the progress here, how many have been sent. And then of course we get a delivery report. We can see how many were delivered, how many failed, how many replies you actually get, because this is the great thing about being able to send SMS messages. You get a very high response rate, and the actual open rate for SMS messages is way higher than an email message. It's around 90% when you send out an SMS message, whereas if you send out an actual email, a good open rate for emails is about 5%. Now, as I've said before, this is similar to Aweber and GetResponse. What you do is you're going to create a web form, and this web form is what you're going to use to be able to capture the cell phone numbers. As you can see here, this is an example of one of the squeeze pages that you can use to capture the cell phone number. And over here we've got the actual build for the web form, and it's exactly the same as the one that you get with Aweber if you've ever used that. It's really similar. You get all the different editing options. You can put images in, you can put text in, you can literally customize it to look like anything that you want. So if I just make this a little bit bigger, as you can see here, this is the actual editor itself. If I just pause it, as you can see, you can enable the redirect here, and you're able to put in the link to the URL that you want the user to go to once they've opted in. In this example, they've used the Internet Lifestyle Network, which is a high converting affiliate offer. You can literally put any URL that you want there. You can make them go to another squeeze page, you can make them go to an affiliate offer, you can literally send them wherever you want. Okay, so here's an example of what happens when they put their cell phone number in. This is the form you create, and once they've inputted their cell phone number and name and opt in, as you can see here, it then redirects to the offer that you specify on the page before, which, if you remember, was the Internet Lifestyle Network. So basically what that means is the lead has given you their cell phone number and name. They are now on your list so that you can market to them in the future, and now that they're on your list, you can then redirect them to an affiliate offer of your choice so you can make money from them. And that's going to be basically it for the breakdown of what automobile code is. It's a really good piece of software. I've been using it for a while now, but before we end the video, I just want to point out that for $49, this piece of software is an absolute steal. If you are a part of the network marketing side of internet marketing, there's a very big, well-known person that I'm sure you're all aware of that is selling a piece of software that is exactly the same as Automobile Code. It might be a little bit different, but it does all the same things as what Automobile Code does. And they are selling it on webinars right now for $1,997. So being able to buy Automobile Code for just $49 is a huge steal. And I urge you, if you are serious about making money online, I actually urge you to go ahead and purchase Automobile Code. Idea and concept of this software is absolutely insane. Capturing cell phone numbers instead of email address is absolutely brilliant because, as I've pointed out before, the open rate and response rate of an SMS message compared with an email is truly fantastic. It's absolutely insane, and I'm sure you're going to be loving how responsive your new list of cell phone users is going to be compared with what it would be if you were capturing email addresses.